Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we from Group D, UiTM Shah Alam, we present to you about the construction of MRT for our capstone project in IDP course. Okay, before that, I will introduce to you my teammate for this project. Okay, start from Nur Syawal Syafiqah.
Hari pada saya.
Muhammad Ismadi, Muhammad Fitri, and
My name is Nurul Syafiqah.
MRT project is a Klang Valley Mass Rapid Transit project. They start the construction from 2011 and estimate to be completed at 2016. This project is founded by MRT Corp in 2011, and then this project is cost not exceed 23 billion ringgit Malaysia, and also pass through the Kota Damansara, Mutiara Damansara, Bandar Utama, Taman Tun Dr. Ismail, Bukit Damansara, Ceras, Taman Tun Husin On, and Malakong.
The Klang Valley. Some 9 million people live here, and more migrate to this populous and prospering valley every year. But as we converge on this vast area, congestion grows too. There are more cars on the road, and public transport becomes more strained. In 2010, we began addressing this with the Sungai Buloh Kajang line, 51 kilometers linking Sungai Buloh in the west to Kajang in the east, 31 stations linking some of the most populous regions of the valley. And now we're linking up more parts of this great valley for even greater convenience and connectivity. The Sungai Buloh Serdang Putrajaya line. With 36 stations that connect entire communities, the SSP line will service and benefit even more densely populated areas in the Klang Valley.
Okay, I will explain about the process of MRT construction. There are two types of process construction, MRT constructions, which are precast and construction at the site. And I will explain about the precast process.
such as elevated station, underground station, station facilities. Station facilities. All stations will have facilities such as escalators, lift, customer service centers, ticket vending machines, toilets, prayer rooms, and public telephones. They will also equip with facilities for the disabled such as lift and ramps. More than 8,000 parking bays will be made available at selected MRT stations. Underground station. The concept for the design of underground station is inspired by the Klang Gates Quad Ridge. The multifaceted quality of quartz and its colorful reflections echo the spirit of Malaysia with its multiracial and multicultural society. The 7 underground stations will also have individual design teams reflective of each station's unique local and environment. Elevated station. The architecture of the elevated station along the MRT Sungai Buloh Kajang line is based on the wakaf. A wakaf is a traditional pavilion found in Malaysia built for travellers to stop and rest. Like a traditional wakaf, the elevated MRT stations are open-sided, allowing for natural lighting and ventilation.
There are some advantages and disadvantages in MRT construction.